King Janaka had a daughter named Sita. One day, he decided that whoever could string the mighty bow given to him by Lord Shiva would receive Sita's hand in marriage. When the bow was brought, Janaka invited those assembled to try their best to string the bow. At Vishwamitra's command, Rama lifted the cover of the bow with his left hand. With his right hand, he easily lifted the bow and stringed it. He fixed an arrow as he drew the string back to release it. The bow snapped with a loud sound. Janaka went to Vishwamitra and told that Rama did have a divine power, and he requested Vishwamitra if he would agree to arrange for his daughter Sita to be married to Rama. Dasharatha was immediately informed. He gladly gave his consent and came to Mithila with his people. The wedding of the four brothers took place at the same time. Rama was married to Sita, Lakshmana to Sita's sister Urmila, Bharata and Shatrughna were married to Mandavi and Sudhakirti respectively, who were the daughters of Janaka's brother. All the people were rejoiced. After returning to Ayodhya, Rama and Sita lived happily. Rama looked after the welfare of the people, never lost his temper, and always helped others. As Dasharatha was growing older, he told Vashishta that he wanted to hand over the kingdom to Rama and gave orders for the coronation of Rama. During this time, Bharata and Shatrughna were away from Ayodhya on a visit to their maternal grandfather. Everyone were rejoiced at the news of Rama's coronation, except for Manthara, who was the maid of Kaikeyi. She wanted Bharata to be the king, so she came up with a wicked plan. She tried to poison Kaikeyi's mind by telling her that once Rama was crowned the king, Kausalya would become all-powerful and would make Kaikeyi her slave. At last, Kaikeyi fell prey to her evil ways. Her mind was filled with suspicion and she agreed to Manthara's plan. Manthara reminded her of the two boons which Dasharatha had promised to grant Kaikeyi. When Dasharatha went to inform Kaikeyi of Rama's coronation, she was in grief and anger. When he inquired, Kaikeyi asked for the two boons which he had promised earlier. The first boon is that she insisted that Bharata should be crowned the king, and the second boon is that Rama should be sent on exile for 14 years. Hearing this, Dasharatha was extremely upset and fainted. The next morning, Dasharatha was found lying sorrowfully on the floor. Kaikeyi then told Rama about the two boons she had asked from Dasharatha. Rama immediately accepted with a smile and promised to obey the commands of his parents. He only requested Mother Kaikeyi to see that Bharata's rule would bring happiness to his father. Hearing this, Lakshmana was furious at the news, but Rama told him that it is his duty to obey to his father. Lakshmana also wanted to accompany Rama to the forest, which Rama agreed with. When Sita too wanted to join him, he explained to her that life would be difficult in the forest. However, Sita was resolved to follow Rama to the forest.